June 2025.
147.
147. That is involving the
Owiny Dollo.
His Lordship.
Yes.
Let us give people their respect.
See, this is a criminal matter.
Yeah, no.
In criminal matters, we
when you came and said, Mr. Mabirizi, because you are here before me, I always address you with courtesy.
But when they charge us, they call us our names.
I don't know how to charge you.
Uganda versus Musoke.
No. Tell now this is Mr. Hassan.
Mabirizi, Chuanuka.
The names are too many.
They have wars with Nira who don't want to put all my names.
Nira also refuse. Why don't you petition? So them. They cut off your names. Let me put you on record for that. Yeah, the section always not be unrepresented. So what happened in this one, Mr. Mabirizi?
My lord, in this one, I filed a complaint at Uganda Road Court, which was...
I filed a complaint at
Uganda Road Court. The magistrate...
Against who?
Against Alfonso Owiny Dollo.
Against his lodge. I'm not sure the way you somebody should give people some. What if you become the president of your addressing as your excellency, president Hassan?
But when you are charging me...
No, what? His excellency, the lordship.
His lordship Owiny Dollo?
Yes.
Yes.
Alphonse, Chigamoy, Owiny. What did he do? Some background.
The background that there was scuffle. There was scuffle at Supreme Court involving him and Justice Kisache.
There was a scuffle involving him
and Justice Kisache.
Lady Justice Kisache.
Away actually, I was locked out. I was locked out of the court. It was a 2 days scenario.
Locked out of court. How did you just a scuffle when you locked out?
No. The day one we were inside.
When was the scuffle? Day one, day 2?
2 days.
Yeah, it was scuffle for 2 days. It was ongoing for 2 days.
Yes, day one the files were taken away by the guards of Justice Owiny Dollo. Where all power was taken off. We couldn't do anything. Then the judge came and read the judgment in the tent without power. Then she adjourned my own ruling for the next day at 11. When I came at 11, the gate had been closed.
So you read the complaint before Uganda Road Court?
Uganda Road Court. Now, this complaint, my complaint is about how it was handled. I was never informed about any step being taken, not even any date. But it was taken over in secrecy by the DPP and later withdrawn.
The way you don't pose matters, withdrawn. Without your consent and knowledge.
Without my consent and knowledge or participation. Because the withdrawal has to be with consent of court. And my argument is that when it's consent of court, then I need to be heard. Because I'm the one who brought the case.
What does Article 120 say?
Article 120.
The Constitution of the Republic.
Article 120 says the withdrawal shall be with consent of court. And 120 sub Article 5 says in doing their work, they must look at public interest, administration of justice.
Yes, I said by consent of court.
Yes, now that consent has to be, my first argument is that has to be by application. You bring evidence why you need to withdraw. Actually, I have a decision of Justice Mutonyi, I've put it there, where I say that Article 120 sub Article 5 must be put in consideration. You don't just wake up and say I'm withdrawing. In that one of Mbazira, she stopped them from withdrawing. Because
that one is persuasive. Is it binding on you? It's persuasive.
It's actually binding.
Don't judges are the same level.
Same case says, says a decision of the same level is generally binding.
Persuasive. This is not required.
You can read same
but it's binding.
It's binding on you who made it. Otherwise, the smoker was saying, if the same level keeps on making contradictory decisions when there is another one. Okay, we're not even having different quorum making the contradictory decisions in the federal court. But they are saying you must distinguish. There must be reasons why you depart. Okay. So the complaint here is that My case,
your consent was not sought.
First of all, I think a consent should be by notice of motion. There must be evidence.
There must be an application.
Yes, for the consent of court, so that whoever is interested can come and protest. Secondly,
proceedings before the High Court should be by motion, not in criminal matter.
Even in magistrates. Yes.
What section of the MCA is that?
No, they are the rules, David. These are criminal procedure adjudication application rules. They are saying
not all applications for a magistrate should be.
Not all, some. But now in this matter, you need to prove.
Yeah.
You need to prove under Article
125. So you filed your submissions there, yeah?
Yes, the submissions are on record.
Even the law court filed it here.
Are good.
This was done by Muhumu Asman.
Yes, he was a great one then. I think he's also still. So I think this is set for, unless the state wants to put in something.
Said you and the expert. This one you're surprised why she's here. You invited her to keep around. You want to make some reply on this one? Yeah, you feel my ban your finger. How did you get involved? I'll deliver my ruling on the 24th of June 2025 at 10:30 a.m. To soon thereafter. Okay. Let me see. So if the magistrates, you take them here. If it's a judge,
it's not about
I'm
this.
still waiting for my phone. Sir, you're done recording. This man, he filed a petition in the court where I was the head of the court, saying that Chief Justice should not have handled matters of justice such as this. I wrote
the Judicial Service Commission.
I referred them to Civil Division, and he took a reference. And then, what was it?
Reference.
What is the number? Can you say for me the reference?
I'll get it and share it with your clerk. I will have to come back.
You get the reference.
But you see,
it's okay.
My not justice so much. Up to now, that case has never been had.
I was saying, you know, that given the religious history, I was saying, no, you should be like him.
But not everything not everything is misconduct. That was not misconduct. That's why I...
Mine was not misconduct?
No.
It was gross misconduct.
No. And that's not my pleading.
What wrong did I do? I don't know.
You misapplied Article 139 of the Constitution. Yeah, I come to High Court judge. The High Court judge behaves as if he's a magistrate of the area. And says, my map is here. Yet the Constitution says you have unlimited. Actually, that's my trouble. That's why I need East African Court to interpret. The Constitution says you have unlimited. I can go to Tororo and argue a case here. And that's what is done in Kenya and Tanzania and elsewhere. You go to a corridor somewhere, you get a judge.
That's why you want the South African Court. So what are you getting the decision? Because you might be able to assist us in some of these matters.
No, it will
make... you can eye even more.
We have a lot of backlog. So we are now here.
You're implying that me and Aida don't have backlog here.
We are hearing
Mr.
the cases. This is Tadeo Asimwet.
Number 12, involving the Tadeo Asim and the Margaret Tiburia.
Yes. Actually, this one was pure ex parte.
Yes, but these are very big people. There's no way you can even proceed against them. They don't really know we're here.
They don't say they are not supposed to know until when they are summoned. That's the decision of Justice Gadenya. Until when they are summoned, that's when they
think behind my back and only wake up when
until when you are summoned. When you are summoned, then you come and defend yourself.
And that is very good law.
Yes, it's good law by Muata.
You don't